This video is going to talk about the hidden sugars that we find in lunchboxes, and it's amazing to see sometimes what you can find in there. The biggest things are yogurts. Yogurts are usually full of sugar, just so that it makes it really appealing to your child. So you want to make sure that you're getting something that's full, that it's not low fat, because that is another name for sugar, and it is less than 15 grams of sugar per 100 grams on your label. Another one you'll find is if you're getting muffins and biscuits and those types of things, it is more beneficial to be able to make something yourself. Here you've just got it doesn't take too long, and you can freeze them for the week, 2 weeks. We've got some crumble here that are just made with oats. We've got rhubarb and frozen berries in there, and some rice malt syrup, which is an unrefined sugar. So we want to try and reduce that sugar. Great options are putting fruit and veggies in there. They're natural sugars, so they're going to be a lot more nutritious, and they're going to actually keep your child concentrating for the rest of the day. The other thing that recommended is that you always put water into your child's lunchbox, nothing else. You can see here I've got a number of other options that sometimes we do see at school, and they are hidden with sugar. Basically, our child should only be having 6 tablespoons, which is about 25 grams of added sugar a day, and that is our whole entire food. Here you can see that they've got a lot more sugar in something like a can of Coke, which has about 16 teaspoons in there, which is about 64 grams of sugar just in this bottle here. Another one we might see is creamers, and yeah, they're a really easy snack and quick to have, but again, they've got lots of sugar in there, and we've got 7 teaspoons worth of sugar in that one, so that's just in that small creamer. We've got milk, Strawberry Big M. It is huge amount again of sugar, you can see there. And an easy option that we can do for that is just getting some milk. It can be almond milk, it could be normal milk, and just put some frozen berries in there, and we've got exactly the same thing. We've got some sports drinks that you might see that children are having, some vitamin water, which is always, you think vitamins and water. We have vitamin water, which you would think the name vitamin would actually make it seem healthy. That alone has 5.5 teaspoons just for here. Red Bull, I think that no child is really actually drinking those things, but you can see 32 grams of sugar. And a Pop Top, which I know is a favourite for some, for parties, those things, and they can be brought into the lunchbox, but they shouldn't be, as they've got also 3 teaspoons of sugar in there just for that small little amount. So make sure your child is drinking water every day too.